Hello, good evening, students. Today in a class, I have completed the naming of the hydrocarbons. So, first of all, I have given the revision to the students that what is the carbon. So, that I will tell to you also that what the revision I have given to the students. I have said to the students that carbon is an element which is a non-metal. Okay. Second, I have said to them that it is a covalent bond and the electronic configuration is 2,4 and the shape is tetravalent. Here, carbon is 1 and 4, hydrogen will takes place. Now, occurrence of carbon may takes place by the two ways, one free state, second is the combined state. This is a revision only, which I have given in a class today. Allotropes of carbon are three types: diamond, graphite, Buckminster fluorescence. Buckminster fluorescence is said to be C60 in short. It is made up of pentagonal shape and hexagonal, both will take place. As we are saying that all have seen a football, same as a football shape it is, Buckminster fluorescence. So I have said to the students to learn the uses also of this. Fine. After this, I have started the organic compounds. So the compounds of carbon are called organic compounds. After the organic compounds, I have tell to them the chain structure. This is said to be the straight chain, this is said to be the branch chain, and this is said to be the closed chain. See here, straight chain, it means this is nothing is there, downside, upside, nothing. It means it is a straight chain. Here downside one carbon is here, it means it form a branch chain. Closed ring is there, it means a closed carbon atom, closed carbon chain. Fine. Types of hydroorganic compounds, there are 6 types which I have given in the class. Then I have started about the hydrocarbons, that it is made up of hydrogen and carbon. Then I have tell about them types of hydrocarbon, 2 types, saturated, unsaturated. Saturated means alkanes will come, and in unsaturated alkenes and alkynes is coming. Okay. So what I have given, that single bond is coming on this one. I have given this for these one structures so that they have to write in their copies. Then I have given the general formula CnH2n plus 2, and I have said to the student this N you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4 values. You write down the values on a N side, then you got the formula also. Okay, like this way we have put it the formula. 1 we have put it, 2 we have put it, then we got the formula. Okay, for the correction if we want to check. Okay, then I have tell to them that what is methane. For a 1, if 1 carbon is present, we are saying meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, and so on. 6 hex, hapt, like this, octa. Okay, so in this one, meth having a 1 carbon, like this is going on. In a unsaturated, two things are taking place. One is ene and second is ine. So in a ene, double bond will take place. In a ine, triple bond will take place. Two hydrogen are joined together and it form a one bond. You can see here ene because single bond is present. Now two hydrogen we have taken from here and we form a one bond. That one bond will come on this one side, second double bond will form. That's why it remain as 2H here and 2H here. You can see this thing. 2H here, 2H here. Ethyne. Now you can see this one. We will take a one hydrogen from here, one hydrogen from here, one hydrogen will left. That hydrogen join together to form a triple bond. Okay. So this also general formula. For a general formula is present CnH2n for this ene, and for this CnH2n minus 2. On the n side you have to put 2 value, 3 value, then you can find out that which formula is correct of ethane, methane and propane, butane. For the correction of formula you can see it. Okay, so this thing I have given in the class, and some more namings I have given from my side only. I have given the more namings. Okay, so now tomorrow I will explain them dot structure, and then I am going to explain them some more names, how we will give the naming of IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so these things you will also write down in your copy. What the things I am teaching in the class, that I have make a video. Thank you students and have a nice day.